Hi guys, Easy Man here. I'm not sure if I can put this in, but anyway. We are going to be opening some 500k packs. Even though they don't look like 500k packs, they really are. So my first pack, who do I get? I get decent player Kagawa. You know, you wouldn't really be expecting Kagawa in a 500k pack, but, I'm not that, sad because my pack look is just rubbish. Oh my gosh, we got an inform. Who is it? Oh, it's Ander Herrera. That's really good for me because I hardly get informs. Even though in my team, if I show you now, there's like lots and lots of informs. So my fifth pack is it. I think on each account on this, I'm going to open like about 20 packs, maybe around there, because I have a lot of coins. Because I'm always on FIFA most of the time. So I got Contrao, or is that how you say his name? So this is like my 7th pack. Oh, we got Kagawa again. Like, you wouldn't believe this, but like Kagawa is really good at skiing. Like dribbling, Garcia. Not too bad. Oh, uninformed, it's Payet. Oh my god, Payet is unbelievable. I can't believe Payet is only 84 rated. And no, Payet's dribbling is only 84. Because normally he's unbelievable at dribbling. I don't know. I'm just checking all the dribbling. It's so good. I don't want to keep any of them. Oh, an inform. Who could it be? Oh. That's like the... Oh, 2 informs in one pack. 2 informs in one pack. Who is this? Yasmins or something. Varane. That's actually decent. Varane's one of my best players, I have to be honest. Varane's one of my best players. Oh, Cahill. I hated that pack. I don't like it. To me, Cahill's rubbish. Adebayor. He's one of the players that messed up his career. So, yeah, this is like my 10 pack, okay? Now, we're on a different account. First pack on the other account. I only have 2 accounts or 3. Oh. So that was Coutinho. I will open some packs on FIFA 16, but I figured out I only had like 20 million coins. So the reason why I didn't do it on FIFA 16 was because I wanted to do like a 50 million pack opening, and I had more on this on FIFA 15. So I just decided to do it, even though like FIFA 15 packs are crap. It just gave me the idea. I just did it for some reason. So yeah. So far this pack opening is going so bad. It really is going so bad. Normally, on my normal days when my pack look is up, oh my god, you wouldn't believe it, man. So really unbelievable the cards I will get. And BPL Team of the Season is out right now, and I've opened like 17 packs, and I haven't got one. There's 3 more packs left, and hopefully we can get a good player from that. So far, absolutely no one. Oh, please be a good one. Because when you're getting informed, you just hope they're good, and they end up being like 81. Now, let me show you my team. Okay, so up front is Suarez. Center attacking is Ozil. Center mid is Vidal. Left mid is Royce. Left back is Marcelo. Center attacking Oscar. I've got really good players. It's just that take a look at this card. Like, this card is just unbelievable. But like, this is my favorite card for some reason. Or like, if you take a look at like the other cards, like this lad, his dribbling is like so good. So guys, that was just,